SecureTrace. Counterfeiting and product diversion is a growing problem in the pharmaceutical industry today. A problem that has received global attention and has not been without response. Various pilots and trials have already achieved mass serialization of pharma products and successfully traced product throughout the supply chain. The experiences so far have uncovered issues with coding at existing manufacturer line speeds and have demonstrated that the implementation of equipment and software can increase unit costs significantly. Also, the response in terms of legislation and solutions has been fragmented and often has not addressed the key issue: that traceability is not authentication. Whilst there is a need to code, the code itself does not provide integrity. For this reason, a group of partners in the UK established the SecureTrace pilot. It is unique in that it combines serialization and authentication technologies and allows products to be checked independently throughout the supply chain, and most crucially, in the pharmacy. Aligned with FPA requirements, this approach recognizes the necessity of the code itself, whilst removing opportunities for the code to provide a weakness.
Authentication serialization then is about reading the code, checking it against the database, but also authenticating that code and proving that it's the genuine one and not some form of clone.
SecureTrace is a fully integrated technology project involving many facets of different measurements or methods of measurement within a production environment. We wanted to explore as part of this project where those bottlenecks would be, whether that be associated with unique components within the project or equally as the overall integrated project architecture.
Using a real high-speed packing line at the Reckitt and Benkiza facilities in Hull, fully integrated into the production process by automation, the SecureTrace packs were marked with a unique 2D data matrix code and aggregated into coded bundles, cartons and pallets, onto which a combination of 2D barcodes and RFID labels were applied. The code is based on GS1 standards and consists of a random serialized GTIN global trade item number, as well as an expiry date and lot number. It's designed to take into account the varying coding systems across Europe. This code has the additional security of being printed using Authentics forensic signature inks applied using the Domino high-speed inkjet printer. The unique nature of authentic security inks allows the ink to be verified with a simple handheld reader, providing instant verification that the code was definitely applied at the manufacturing source and has not been reproduced in any way. Aggregation of the individual codes was supported, at case and pallet level, by the RFID technology provided by GIS. Uniquely, each pack was also recorded and identified using Ingenia laser surface authentication technology. Whereas most authentication techniques rely on a process that is difficult to reproduce, they are not impossible to reproduce.
We have a unique technology that enables us to read the digital signature that you can get out of the surface structure of a material. We've fitted a laser scanning head on the production line for the SecureTrace project, so that as every box comes down the conveyor belt, it passes under our laser scanner and we record its unique signature.
The Ingenia proprietary and patented laser surface authentication system, or LSA, rapidly analyzes the surface of any item and uses the information to create a unique digital serial code. This code, like a fingerprint or DNA sequence, is unique for every item that is analyzed and can be used to unambiguously identify it in the supply chain using a portable version of the LSA scanner. This serial code is not added by any manufacturing or packaging process, as it effectively occurs naturally. Advanced work by Loughborough University and IMSOL has enabled simultaneous reading of multiple barcodes through cellophane at high speeds in a production environment. The IMSOL scanners checked and recorded all the barcodes and uploaded them to the local database configured by PIRA. This records supply chain movement and allows web-based inquiry using CAMdata handheld scanners in the wholesale or dispensing environments. The use of RFID enables high-speed reading of multiple codes during the dispatch, warehousing and wholesale phases of the supply chain. Whereas the combination of the serial code and authentic security ink technology provides guaranteed authentication of individual packs at any point, most importantly at the point of dispense. SecureTrace is the first true product authentication and serialization project which goes beyond track and trace by using laser surface authentication in combination with 2D barcodes printed using forensic signature inks and the application of RFID labels to provide aggregated data and complete security at carton and pallet level.
It isn't acceptable in this day and age for a manufacturer to just provide a product and sell it to a distributor and have no control or no idea what's happening to that product once it's entered the supply chain.
Many customers might think that cost is the major issue associated with this type of application. In reality, it's not cost, it's more the application of the technology that is the challenge. And that's what SecureTrace have been able to deliver, is the fact that we can now demonstrate that technology can be applied effectively and still retain full production requirements.
Both patients and manufacturers are led into a false sense of security if the product has been cloned, and authentication of that serial number allows them to guarantee that that product is both a genuine product and in the right place.
The authentication of product via serial codes and covert technology at multiple points in the supply chain ensures total integrity of the data and the product, from the point of packing to the point of sale or dispense. SecureTrace. Authentication serialization for the real world. Part funded by the Technology Strategy Board.